Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to be learning about 3D shapes. And the difference between a 3D shape and a 2D shape is that a 2D shape is flat and a 3D shape kind of stands up a little, it pokes out. Okay, so we're going to go over some of the 3D shapes, and maybe you've heard of them: a cone, a cube, a cylinder, a sphere. And I have some examples of those that I just found around my house. Okay, also, something you need to know about 3D shapes is that they have faces and vertices. Okay, so let's look at our first 3D shape. It is a cube. Okay, and it has faces around it, the flat parts around it. And the face of a cube is a square. But this is not a square, it's a cube, okay? And the vertices are the pointy parts, okay? So that's a cube. Then we have a cylinder like this, and it's kind of like a can, if you have a soda can or anything like that. And it has a face too, right here. And that face is a circle. So a circle can help to make a cylinder, okay? And it doesn't have any pointy parts, it doesn't have any vertices. Okay, then we have a sphere, which is like a ball. And a sphere doesn't have a face, it doesn't have any flat parts, and it doesn't have any vertices, no corners either. Okay, so for our activity today, you will need marshmallows and toothpicks because I'm going to show you how to make your own 3D shape. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to get some of my marshmallows. And the first shape we're going to make, I'm going to show you how I made my cube. Okay. I'm going to get some toothpicks out. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have our marshmallows and our toothpicks. So the first thing we're going to do is make a square face first. So the first thing you do, get a marshmallow and a toothpick and put it on each end like this. Okay, then you get another toothpick and you put a marshmallow on the end like that. Let's get another toothpick and marshmallow and another toothpick. Like that, okay? Now, the next step is pretty easy. You're just going to get a toothpick and stick it on each marshmallow. Like that, okay? Now that we have that, we're going to get 4 more marshmallows and place them on the top of the toothpicks like this. Okay. The last step is you're going to connect toothpicks in between marshmallows. So I'm going to connect here like that. I'm going to connect here. Going to connect across here like that. And one more. Okay, and there is my cube. You can make a pyramid, which has a triangle base. You can make a rectangular prism, which has a rectangle base. Let's see what other 3D shapes you can make.